Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am in front of my hydroponic tower here that I built out of my 3D printer, and I'm going to show you guys here. What I got here is these hydroponic clay pebbles for it. So I put these sections in. I'll show you how it kind of works. Let me grab one of these ones that doesn't look too dead. But okay, so the way it works is I have all lettuce growing. So I have these little sections here and they come out, and you can see I've got a little plant in there. And so you put the plant in it, and then you put these little pebbles, these clay pebbles around it, and then what that does is it keeps it from getting other things, growths and mold and stuff like that in there, because you have the clay covering on top of it. So hopefully it makes it a good medium too to grow in. And you see it's going and seems to be good so far. So this is the one I got here. I got hydroponic clay pebbles. The size is really good. I've definitely planted these way too early in the tower, but I'm going out of town, so I didn't want to leave them in the little grow, little incubator for too long. So kind of bad timing. But this is it, and these hold some water to keep them wet. So it's really great concept. So very cool. So if you do any hydroponic growing, you should get some of these things here. It definitely makes it better. I've had like an aero garden and stuff before. Could have used this here in there too as well. Would have helped it out. So definitely thumbs up from me. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and links in the description. And I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Bye.